Good morning, everybody. We're going to make some zucchini muffins this morning. So I've got everything together and all the ingredients will be in the description box below. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that bell so YouTube can recognize that MAINEiac Grammie's got a lot going on. So I'm going to bring you right back. I'm going to set you up so you can see everything good. Okay, let's get started on these zucchini muffins. You want 3 cups of grated zucchini, and I'm going to put that in just like this. I'm reading right according to the ingredients. Okay, you want 1 stick and 1 tablespoon of butter. There you go, right there. Hope everybody's having a fine morning today. It's a hot, humid day here in Maine. It's very cloudy, but very humid. There, just like that. Then we want 1 1/3 cups of sugar. Going right in. And I'm just going to incorporate this just a little, just so it's not hard when we have to get everything in and try to stir it. Just like that. Okay, we're going to take 2 beaten eggs, and everything will be in the description box below, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and as you all know, I like to use Mexican vanilla. I have access to it, or you can buy it on Amazon.com. I love the vanilla. Just has a wonderful flavor and taste to it. Okay, 2 teaspoons of baking soda right here, and a pinch of salt, and I use pink Himalayan salt. I just put that in and everything's sticking already. It'll be one of those sticky days. I might have to put the air conditioner on. Okay, and cinnamon. We want 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Cinnamon, that smells good. Just like that. Just mix it in just a little bit. That way it's just easier when everything goes in one bowl. And let's see, we need half a nutmeg. I shaved a nutmeg, but you can use ground nutmeg. Nutmeg, oh, nutmeg and cinnamon. That does smell really good. Okay, and now we are going to put our flour in. And this is 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And the only kind of flour I use is King Arthur. That's it. You can use anything you want, but that's my preference. That's what I like. We're just going to stir this in really well. And you can top these muffins off with anything you want. I'm going to put a few pecans on top. Ray's a big pecan person. Me, not so much, but him, yes. Stir it up here. I have 2 different ones. I didn't know which one I wanted to use. That's me. I never know what I'm going to use, so I always have a couple of different ones. Just like this. How many out there are growing zucchini in their gardens this year? This zucchini came from our garden, organic, no pesticides. I've got 3 more sitting on the table that I'm gifting. I don't have a lot of plants, maybe 6 plants, but boy, I've cut down on my baking. But it's getting fall, so I'll be starting up again. I just got to do portion control, that's all. Just like this. I think it's all mixed in together. I think it'd be easier using a wooden spoon. I should have got one, but I didn't. Oh well. It is what it is. Now I'm using an ice cream scoop. And like I said, everything will be in the description box below. I'm just going to fill these. These are the large muffin tins, the large muffins. I was going to make the small ones, but I decided to do the big mamas. When I like to eat, I like to get a mouthful, even though I'm on portion control. Let's mix that in a little bit. These should give us 8. But I'm going to start off with 6 good size ones. I used to sell these at my farmer's stand when we used to sell baked goods and produce and herbs. Looks like I may just do a little batch after. I have this much left over. And if I do a little batch, I can take it to the senior center and they'll love it. Okay, just topping these off a little bit more. A little dab will do ya. Keep doing that, there won't be any too. Oh shoot, I might as well just use it all. There's not a whole lot left in here. I'm sure I can top it off somehow. Hopefully they don't overflow. They may take a little longer to cook. These are going to be a muffin and a half. Just like this. Oh boy. All the goodness that you smell, the cinnamon and the nutmeg. Whoops. Smells really yummy. Just like that. Some may have a tad more than others, but I'm just going to take some chopped pecans here. Just put a few on top. Ray's going to really like this. There you go. And we're going to put it in the oven at 400 for about 25 to 30 minutes. But I'm going to start with 35 because mine's, I got quite a bit of batter in each one. And these are the large ones. So we'll see what's going to happen. Okay folks, the muffins are done and this is the yummy muffin. Doesn't that look good? There's a little butter there. Look at that. That is a nice size muffin. I'm gonna taste it for you. And what you do is you want to take a toothpick and stick it in the middle, and when you bring it up, you'll know if it's all done or not. Here's the inside right here. Looks beautiful. My butter's a little hard, which is kind of good because that way I put less on it. But here we go. Mmm. Mmm. So good, I'm going to take another bite. Mmm. These are a muffin you must make. Right here, zucchini. And I put pecans on top. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.